Hi guys, you are watching 𝗃65Careers Excel 2016 course, and in this lesson we will learn how to insert the main types of charts that are available in Excel. In this sheet we have the P&L statement that we created in our exercise from before. Let's say that I would like to create several charts in order to visualize the data in a better way. How can I do that? First of all, I'll select the data that I'd like to include in a chart, and then click on the Insert tab. Here you can see the Charts section, where we have various chart buttons. Microsoft Excel 2016 is really great because it includes the Recommended Charts functionality, which will suggest several types of charts to us that are likely to represent the data that we have selected well. Clicking on Recommended Charts, we'll be shown a set of charts that will best fit our data according to Excel. And here we are. We have a column chart, a bar chart, a line chart, and a pie chart. Pretty much the four basic traditional types of charts that we can have. I'll select the line chart and click OK. Our chart is ready. If we change our mind and decide that we would like a different chart, we can always click the Change Chart Type button and select the type of chart that we would like. There are a lot of options. The right side of the window provides us with a small preview of the chart that we are about to select. This is what a column chart would look like, and this is what a bar chart would look like. There are a lot of options that we can select from. The important thing is that you pick the one that best describes the data that you are working with. This is how we insert charts in Excel. In our next video, we'll learn about the Chart Tools menu that we see in the ribbon. Thanks for watching.